Hello guys, hope you're doing well today. I will show you some chords, some Zouk chords, very simple. Today we will play in the key of D. So if you remember the scale of D is D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, and D. Okay? Hello guys, I hope you are doing well today. So if you're a newcomer on my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe. Click on the notification bell, it's very important. In this YouTube channel, I will show you how to play piano, how to harmonize all your chords. And all this content is totally free, so make sure to subscribe and click on the notification bell. It's very important. Okay, so I will play first and then I will show you, okay? Very simple. So the first chord is G, okay? Then we will play a passing chord. A passing chord of C, okay? So the first chord is D. I reverse my chord, so the chord is A, D, and F sharp, okay? Okay? The first chord. Then the second chord is C major, very simple. Okay, so first D, second C major, okay? C major is C, E, and G, okay? First, second is C, then the third one is G major, like B, D, and G, okay? The last one is A major, okay? Only major chords, very simple. A major is A, C sharp, and A. Okay, the first one. Very simple. So yeah, the first one is D. Okay, the second one is C major. So D major, C major, then G major and A major. Okay, very simple. So now I can do the demo for you. It's very simple. So with the beat, I will play with the bass. Okay, the first. If I remove the bass, I have So it's very simple. With my left hand, I can just play like arpeggios, okay? Very simple with arpeggios. So if I play like D with my right hand, okay? I can do D here. 1, 5, 1, okay? 1, 5, 1 is D, okay? A and D. Very simple. Okay? The second one is C. I can play like C, G, C. Okay, the first one. Okay, the third one is G. It's G, E, G, A, E, A. Okay, A. Very simple. I don't want to complicate anything. So yeah, if you like this video, just click on the like button, and it's very important, make sure to subscribe. Click to the subscribe button and activate the notification bell to receive all my notification videos. So that's it for this video, and let's meet on the next one. Bye bye.